If you want to learn how to use hashtags on your YouTube videos and YouTube Shorts like here, in this video I will show you how to do that. We will also talk about the differences between tags and hashtags, avoiding common mistakes while adding hashtags on your videos, and how important they are for getting more views. But before we start, if you are a small YouTuber struggling to grow, I have created a free checklist with tips included to help you reach your first 1000 subscribers. I have 2 YouTube channels over 1000 subscribers now, therefore I know how difficult it is to grow on YouTube. You can find the link in description. Hashtags are clickable keywords with the hash sign that appear either near your video title or at the top of the description box. When you click on a hashtag, you will be taken to a search results page with other videos using the same hashtag. On the other hand, there are also tags which are also keywords but without the hash sign. This section is normally hidden to viewers. Normally the viewers don't see the tags on your videos, but we can see them here because I'm using an extension tool called vidIQ. Normal viewers don't see the video tags, which you can add multiple of them to your videos. And the role of tags is to help YouTube understand the content of your video. While using hashtags in your videos, avoid these 2 mistakes: irrelevancy and using too many hashtags. Don't add hashtags in your videos that are not relevant to your video topic. Irrelevant hashtags confuses the algorithm and harms your channel. Also, don't add too many hashtags. YouTube shows maximum 3 hashtags in your videos, either above your title or in the description field. You can use more than 3 hashtags, but if you add too many of them, then YouTube will disregard all of your hashtags. So to get the best results, use relevant hashtags in your videos, but don't overuse them. Okay, now let's see how to add hashtags and tags to your regular YouTube videos and YouTube Shorts. For regular long-form videos, firstly go to your YouTube Studio, switch to the Content tab, and select one of your videos. Here there are 2 places that you can add hashtags. The first one is in your title. To add a hashtag, click on the hash sign and then write the keyword. If you add a hashtag to your title and click on save, let's go back to the video. Now when we go back to the video, we can see our hashtag is added here, but they are removed from the description field, which were previously at the top of the description field. Titles have a maximum of a 100 characters limit, so if you add hashtags here, and if your title is a long title, then they will probably exceed this limit very quickly. Therefore, there is a second place you can add your hashtags, which is the description field. You can add your hashtags anywhere in your description field, but normally we add them at the end of the description box. Here you can include multiple hashtags, but make sure not to add too many of them, and keep in mind that only the first 3 hashtags will be visible in your video. Once you are finished, click on save and your hashtags will be added. And you can also apply the same process for YouTube Shorts. You can add hashtags both in titles or in the description field in your YouTube short videos, but the difference from the regular videos is that if you add hashtags to the description field of a YouTube short video, then they won't be easily visible. To find these hashtags, people need to go to your description field and then they can see your hashtags somewhere here. Otherwise, they won't be able to see your hashtags. That's why people prefer to add their hashtags in the title of a YouTube short video instead of adding them to the description field. And if you want to add tags to your YouTube videos, again from your YouTube Studio, select the video that you want to add your tags. This time, scroll down until you see the tags box here. And here in this field, you can enter the keyword without using the hash sign. And you can add here one of these keywords or keyword phrases as tags. But if you use vidIQ, then you will get suggested keywords with a score here, meaning that the higher the score is, the higher it has a potential of ranking. To add them to the tags field here, simply click on the plus sign and they will be automatically added to the tags field. So using the right tags help YouTube understand your video's content and therefore it can improve your video's search ranking. But YouTube also informs us here that tags play a minimal role in helping viewers to find your video and to get more views. So if you are asking whether you should use tags or not in your videos, I am still using them, but according to YouTube, they don't play a very important role to get discovered on YouTube. If you want to get more views on YouTube, there are other important things you need to do, which we're gonna talk in the next video. And if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and see you guys in the next video.